World Cup Russia. England versus, I don't know. Foul.
The lineup is of players, 4 players in a row. You cannot get in between them and pick them up. There's pure panic in that Colombian defence. And Sanchez was doing it first half. He was holding Kane this time right in front of the referee. You cannot do that. It's been good as well. Good decision, decisive decision. Penalty takers have had to wait a long time to take their kicks.
Anyway, that's not how we use it. The reason we are here. We are here to do another Slime video. My boys. Shall I say, damn boy, they do slime. It's really fluffy slime, especially when it's at the back. Go check out my other channel, be in the comment section. Yeah, will that be in the comment section? I promise. Some of you might know it, some of you might not. This is, so when I do it, it makes it softer. When I do this, and it makes it easier to make a bubble. Just got to do it loads of times. Look. Look. Just put your hands in the mud. Fell 2 times. Two more times. So this one more time. Okay. Might not work, but let's try. Yep, I hit. Well, we're just gonna. This time I'm not here with my cousin, so yeah. I made a little bubble with it. When you make bubbles, it makes crackling noises like that. Is it good? Look. Slime. Renee, my sister, and my sister's friend made this one. Do you get this, guys? My sister said I can't keep this slime even though we live in the same house. Does that make sense? And they said I can't keep it, even though we live in the same house, so basically all of us are keeping it. I said basically. You might be wondering, where's the person who's always in your videos? Who's normally always in your videos? Well, no more videos no more. No more videos no more. You might like him. Comment down below if you do like him. If you do, then he'll come in another video. By the way, I can't tell you his name, so I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry. Let's say our name's Jill. What finger's missing? I'll give you 2 seconds, 10 seconds to check. slime, this slime, the only one on this line up. Right, 10 seconds. Oh no. You guessed. It was my middle finger. Yes. No. What's this? We can do one more trick really quickly because I can't go into bed. Like, subscribe, check out my other channel.